Look at all these eggs. Let's open some and see which Nick Jr. friends are inside. I wonder who's in this one. Could I get a clue? Who could that be? Cool! Let's open it.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blaze!
That was awesome! Let's check out another egg. Who's in this one? Let's tickle it.
Tickle.
I think I know who's in this one. Let's see. Hi, Nazboo. Now let's guess who's inside this one.
Time to bolt!
Sounds like someone's building in there. Who is it? Let's open it. Rusty rivets? Cool! How about this one? Can I have a clue? This egg is barking.
Do the pop-pop boogie. Shake it, move it. Show what
Now it's dancing? I think I know who it is. Let's see.
I just flip for flips!
It's Skye. Okay, let's open one more egg. Who's in this one?
Ready to earn my wings!
Whoa, this egg can fly? You know who it is?
Slick!
Open up, egg. It's Swift. That was egg-cellent. See you next time.
You can find more videos like this in the free Nick Jr. app.